even though I miss India very much from the bottom of my heart, but the worker know this thing that whenever the war starts,
The Supreme Personality of God.
yeah, Ahmad is one of our best friends, and because he lives in a city which is so much the danger every time when the war is.
बहुत अभिनंदन है दोस्तों आपका फिर से चैनल में। मेरा नाम दिवाकर है और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हर बार की तरह मैं लेके आया हूँ स्पेशल पर्सन को। स्पेशल क्या है यार, वो ही है, उसे ही देखने आते हो आप। तो मिलते हैं फिर, मतलब मैं आपको मिलवाता हूँ डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम ईरान।
हाय नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम फैज़ा है and I am with the worker now. Okay, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं कैसी है?
कैसे हैं?
तुम कैसे है?
ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू।
क्या तुमने खाना खाया?
नहीं, not yet.
क्यों, वहाँ खाना नहीं मिल रहा क्या?
It is getting ready, but we haven't.
हिंदी 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 हिंदी।
I don't know. Like I have to say, कुछ minutes bad कुछ minutes. What can I say? I don't know.
खाना अभी बन रहा है, थोड़ी देर बाद।
आ रहा।
ओके दोस्तों, तो हम यहाँ पे फाइजा से बहुत सारी बातें करने वाले हैं। पिछली बार आपकी कंप्लेंट थी कि मैं फाइजा को बोलने नहीं देता। यू आर सेइंग दैट आई डोंट लेट यू टू स्पीक।
No, why? No, I know. It is totally wrong. Why you had this feeling?
ओके, फर्स्ट शो दैट पैरेट्स, शो दैट पैरेट्स।
They're asleep, but you don't say. Okay, you don't say anything because they're asleep. Okay.
ओके ओके ओके। तो भाई फाइजा के पास 2 पैरेट्स हैं और अभी उसने खरीदे हैं और वो पिंजरे में मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है।
Because of the lights, they're awake. Because I turn on the lights, so they're awake.
ये दोनों मेल एंड फीमेल है।
7
Oh, they are afraid from you.
They're asleep. No, they're sleepy actually, you know. They're not in mood. They're sleepy. I make them awake because of the lights.
They're couple.
Yeah, but you're couple.
दोस्तों आप बताओ मेल कौन सा है, फीमेल कौन सा है?
Simon, they're afraid from your voice. They're afraid of your voice. Don't say anything, wait. She needs more. What would it be? More time. Yeah.
When I come, I will free them.
No, in your dreams, because I said to you before the reason. I said to you that they're not ready for getting free. I said to you, they never been the freedom, so they don't know how to deal with the freedom. You know, the thing is that they easily get haunted by the animals. I don't want that they get haunted.
I teach them how to fly, just like in India we have democracy.
But no, really. No, he's kidding this though, actually, because he knows that they don't have the capacity. They easily get haunted because since the beginning of the like age, so they were in the cage, so they're not habitual. They will be definitely in danger. Even sometimes when I make them free in my room, they just come. Like it's not like this that immediately they come out at all, and they just resist. After some minutes or after some hours that they come out, they are just around their cage and they just want to come back. It is like this because they safe zone since the first was the cage. Yeah.
Okay, Machu. Let's see, when I come, I will free them from the cage. Okay, forget it. तो दोस्तों आप सब ये बात जानना चाहते हैं कि फ़ाइज़ा क्या इंडिया वापस आएगी नहीं, या फ़ाइज़ा इंडिया कभी वापस नहीं आएगी, या वॉर की ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि फ़ाइज़ा इंडिया कभी नहीं आ पाएगी। ये 3 चीज़ें हैं, 3 लेट मी कंप्लीट, 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं। तो मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है ईरान की वॉर की वजह से फ़ाइज़ा इंडिया नहीं आ पाएगी, और हो सकता है इस साल भी वो ना आ पाए। तो और हो सकता है शायद फ़ाइज़ा इंडिया कभी ना आ पाए बिकॉज़ ऑफ द वॉर। बिकॉज़ जब वॉर ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो मुझे वहाँ जाना है, और मुझे वहाँ जाना है तो फिर ज़ाहिर-सी बात है मैं भी कुछ दिन, महीने वहाँ रुकूँगा। सो इज़ इट ट्रू दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम इंडिया?
Actually, it is not about ability, okay? Even in the war situation, yes, there are some limitations. I'm not sure, but every time when there is a war, so of course there's a limitation, and but more than ability to study, it is not my own one. It is not my own desire, and I have a reason. It is not because of this thing that I don't like India. Even I swear to God that I miss India very much, but literally. Like sometimes I have the imagination that I am in some places of India, like especially in those green places. The worker knows that how much I like Himari,
हिमारी!
Maldives. Yeah, Masuri and Usra Khan. I am in love with Usra Khan, and so he knows this thing. He knows that. Even so, I'm saying sometimes I have the thought that I imagine myself there. And the other thing is that even I was saying to my family that yeah, I have the craving for the Indian foods, but the thing I can make, but the thing is that the taste will never be like that because of course the spices are different. Like the spices taste different. So yeah, it is like even the work. I remember that once I made paneer in Iraq, but it was not at
भाई
all like
भाई ईरान में जो पनीर है ना उसमें इतना नमक है, मतलब जैसे पनीर दुकान पे मिलता है, पहली बात तो उसे कुछ और डिफरेंट नाम बोलते हैं, और उसके अंदर बहुत नमक मिला होता है, वो नमकीन होता है, तो उसमें ना पता नहीं लगता बनाते हुए कि कितना नमक जाना है।
look, sorry. We have that special paneer. We have that special paneer, but yeah, we have that special paneer, but you have to buy it from a special stores. That my parents do not know this thing, so when they went outside, they just bought it. Like Bobo just bought it and brought it at home. But the thing is that we have in special stores we have, especially the what we say, the vegetarian stores, like veggie stores like that. We have, but the thing is that because we have this culture that we eat cheese like paneer, that namkeen paneer that the workers said in the like in our breakfast or in our evening meal. So yeah, it's just like this. It is our culture that it must be namkeen, that it has a bit taste because we eat it on the where we just rub it on the bread and we just eat it.
ओके।
Can you hear the
फ्लू?
flute outside? You can hear?
हाँ 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 हाँ। नो आई डिडंट हियर बट आई नो।
Okay. So Devaka, I wanted also to say that yeah, like this thing that it is my own desire that I don't come. Why? Because I have the reason. Even though I miss India very much from the bottom of my heart, but the worker know this thing that whenever the war starts, I'm just about to die. That's why I have a stress when I am in India or any other country because I don't know what is happening exactly with my beloved ones, with the people that always give me the love, and even like it hurts me very much. So being here in Iran has less hurt and wound for me rather than being in India emotionally. So the thing is that it is because of my own emotions and it is my own desire. Otherwise, the Booker is not like the Booker is not like this. That he does not take me. It is my own desire. He respects my own desire because he know my emotions and how I feel when the war starts and I am in another country. Yeah, it is like
तो
this.
दोस्तों जैसे कि आप यस ये
Like
कंप्लीट
this.
कर।
Even I am very much dependent on my objects, like on my dolls, and I am such kind of personality that I am very much emotional. I just
Where is the doll? Where is my doll that I give it to you? I mean your doll that I give it to you. It was a cow. It is a cow.
She's really like you. You want to see.
Yeah. तो दोस्तों वैसे भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, हम दिन में एक बार ज़रूर बात करते हैं और सिचुएशन वहाँ पे बहुत ख़राब है, मैं जानबूझ के उसको कॉल करता हूँ। ओह! ये रही हमारी काऊ। ये छोटा-सा बछड़ा है यार, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, अच्छा लगा था तो मुझे लगा या बछड़ा या मतलब छोटा-सा बैल तो मैंने फ़ाइज़ा को दिया था। आपने देखा था वो? वैलेंटाइन डे पे मैंने दिया था फ़ाइज़ा को। वाह! yeah. ओह! जलेबी,
All of them have a name.
जलेबी, जलेबी।
Oh, you remember her name? Wow. Actually, his name. Sorry, he's a boy. Yeah.
चलो भाई,
Yeah.
बढ़िया,
So
बढ़िया, बढ़िया।
you can hear it is my things.
हुँ,
It is why it is my wedding bouquet by celebrations.
ये
Wedding
फ़ाइज़ा की
celebrations.
कबर्ड
Okay,
है।
what's up?
चलो
Just
मत
like that. How many pictures I have?
आ,
I like them. These ones are my special collection. These ones. Which I like this.
देखो कैसे हैं, बच्चे जैसी सब चीज़ें हैं।
But there's so much, but yeah, look at here.
हाँ,
My accents. Okay, enough.
ये and where is that book, Krishna book?
Ah, okay. It is here.
Ah, the Supreme Personality of God.
Yeah,
That's good. Okay.
that is.
तो दोस्तों आपने देखा मतलब फ़ाइज़ा अभी क्या है, इंडिया आने का नहीं है और जब तक मतलब वॉर की वजह से वो इंडिया नहीं आ पाएगी। फ़िलहाल अब आप बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे कि फ़ाइज़ा को लेके क्यों नहीं आते, लेके क्यों नहीं आते। वो खुद ही नहीं आना चाहती क्योंकि अपने पेरेंट्स को वो छोड़ नहीं सकती और मान लीजिए मैं उसे ले भी आता हूँ, फिर वो टेंशन में रहेगी यहाँ पे। और हैमदान इज़ नॉट इन डेंजर, मतलब हैमदान में कोई ऐसा ख़ास खतरा है नहीं और जितनी भी वॉर है अब साउथर्न ईरान में।
Not for now, but you know, the one that what I remind of. Even maybe our friends say this, there are some negative comments. Even it is very much for you. Even I saw from just 2 or 1%, or 1 or 2 people like that. But the thing is that, like, usually they do not know my ideology, and I am not, like, whoever watches our videos, they know that how I think and what is my ideology. So I am not here to explain myself every time. Those people who have to know, till now they understand. But the thing is that this very wonder is war. It is not about just one country. It is about every country. And if you see generally, it is about Earth. And believe me, the Earth is not feeling good now. Like I have so much negative feeling that the Earth, if that war just go on, and go on, the Earth is gonna get worse and worse. This study is very much natural. So, if I have any kind of expression, it is not just about my country. It is about everything, like about history, about civilization, about all the countries, about peace concept, about the earth. So, yeah, that's it.
ओके तो भाई आपको पता है कि सिचुएशन बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है और मैंने पिछली वीडियो में भी कहा था कि हम ऐसी प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वॉर ख़त्म हो यार, सब परेशान है। मेरा फ्रेंड है इमाद, यू नो इमाद हाउ मच ही इज़ इन स्ट्रेस, ही कॉल मी एंड से द सिचुएशन इज़ सो फकिंग बैड।
Yeah, and one is one of our best friends, and unfortunately, even yeah, because he lives in the city, which is so much in other danger every time when the war starts. So yeah, unfortunately, everybody is now living in Iran so hard. Everything is very much costly.
मेरी कोशिश थी कि फ़ाइज़ा इस बार दिवाली पे आए इंडिया एंड इवन फ़ाइज़ा वांट टू कम टू एट दिवाली बिकॉज़ किट्टू एंड माही and my sister all are really they all remember her.
Yeah.
तो सबका ये था कि फ़ाइज़ा आए, सब चाहते थे और अभी कुछ दिनों में आफ्टर आई थिंक some days we are going for a trip. It is a kind of a temple and the temple is very much in a good location, so we are going there in Uttarakhand. No, in Himachal Pradesh.
And where?
Himachal Pradesh.
Mm.
Yeah, it is like it is just near to like borders are touched like Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are like same, both are same.
Beautiful. And great. And with whom you want to go?
All of us, my brother and sister Mahi Kittu.
Oh, well, that's very much good. That's very much good. Okay, I hope that you enjoy your time and you have the best time. You have the best moment.
तो दोस्तों फिलहाल मुझे ये बताना था फ़ाइज़ा के आने का, क्योंकि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा आपके क्वेश्चंस थे फ़ाइज़ा को लेके, फ़ाइज़ा इंडिया नहीं आ रही है, आप लेके क्यों नहीं आ रहे, वहाँ सिचुएशन डेंजरस है। तो भाई रीज़न यही है कि मुझे नहीं लगता फ़ाइज़ा अब इंडिया आ पाएगी इस वॉर के चक्कर में। तो दोस्तों आगे अभी हम क्या होगा, फ़ाइज़ा की जो है अपनी जॉब भी है, दूसरा उसको दूसरे वर्क भी करने हैं, तो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है शेड्यूल ऐसे ही रहता है। तो देखते हैं आगे हम बात करेंगे और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फ़ाइज़ा के फादर से मिलेंगे। So, because I have a lot of days that we talk to Faiza's father and Faiza's mother and Bita Mehta. So next video, if it is possible for them, if they are okay with that, तो वो आएंगे और हम लोग उनसे बात करेंगे। तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो और ओम नमो नारायण।